Hey guys, if you directly want to go to the part in which I'm talking about what we should do with all of our stuff, directly go to that time. Otherwise, during the next couple of minutes, I'm going to talk about the second wave of decluttering that I had to do. So I hope you're going to enjoy it. Hey guys, what up? So on my last video I was decluttering my place, but actually it was only the tip of the iceberg. I'm just coming back from my friend's place, and that's a very nice friend because he kept all of my things for 2 years. He has a big closet that he doesn't use that much, so he accepted to keep all of my things in the closet. But now today I decided that it was time for a decluttering session because of the first video that I've done a couple of days ago. I figured out it would be time to clean the whole thing. This is a pursuit of my ideal self. I find it crazy that I have all of the things that I'm keeping, but I've never used these things for 2 years. Tells a lot. And it's not only my thing, because based on research, the self-storage industry in the US is estimated at $34 billion per year. That's the industry revenue. Can you guys believe that people every year pay $34 billion to keep the things that they never use in some self-storage space? Based on the research as well, I could see that more than 9% of the households in the US are renting a self-storage space. So today what I want to do is that I really want to get comfortable about throwing things away. Of course, trying to do it in a more ethical way. Throwing all of my stuff would not be very, very good for the environment. So I'm gonna try to find some way to recycle some of the things and also keep the important things. Oh my god, so many things. Okay, so now the goal is really to select what I want to keep and what I want to throw away. I thought I would have like plenty of time. I scheduled like 6 hours to take care of that whole thing, and I just spent 3 hours just bringing all of these things to my place. So it takes much more time than expected, but doesn't matter. I'm gonna enjoy the process. I will feel much freer after that. So first of all, I'm gonna have lunch because I'm hungry, and then after that, we're gonna start the real decluttering. I have a little bit of orange juice. Oh, I have a kombucha in my bag. Ooh. That's gonna be the best break ever! Ooh! So, as I said, I just spent 3 hours. Oh my god, I'm fully... Why does this always happen to me? I ordered some vegan food. I don't know if you guys are from Montreal. Do you know Copper Branch? It's so amazing, the General Copper. It's the best food ever. So I ordered some of that. So, but before the food gets there, because of course Uber Eats takes like 40 minutes, I think I'm gonna start a little bit because I don't have that much time. I have a hard stop at 4, the meeting for work. Oh my god, just opening these bags is giving me anxiety. Like, you guys, it's so many things. You know what, let's start with the clothing. That actually is a little bit more fun. I think before food I need to do things that are like more fun. After food, let's do the annoying things. So, am I recycling that? Yeah, what do you want me to do? That, no, I don't like it anymore. Oh, that is cool. That was a gift. Let's throw it away. That I will never wear. Like, why did I buy that? I don't even see myself wearing that. Can you guys imagine myself wearing that? Okay, let's give it a try. I mean, it only looks good if you have muscles, and it's definitely not my case, so it doesn't work. I just look like a weirdo. But you know what? It's so much better for this weather. I'm gonna keep it. Okay. The rules. It's time for lunch. So I literally stole that thing from my friends 2 years ago. So to celebrate that, we're gonna put it here. And like every time she's gonna come to my place, she's gonna see that. And she's gonna be like, Miguel, you stole that to me. I woke up like this. Flawless. So, the things that you see here are the only things that I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna keep that guitar, and I'm gonna give it to my cousin because I already have one. That are a lot of things like papers and gifts and things that I don't know where to put in my place, but I definitely wanna keep. Here it's clothing for winter, for the next season. Here it's like a gimbal that I bought like 2 years ago for a camera. I need to sell that thing. Here it's like some stuff like my camera box, and here are weights that we use for working out. So I'm gonna keep it. I might do like a workout challenge with that. Have thrown away all of the things that I didn't need. Probably the coolest thing that I got from the decluttering. I'm so happy to have that back. So I'm pretty excited. These are the only thing left. These are the only thing that I'm keeping. Just that. Do you remember how it was looking like at the beginning? So let's do a before after. Before after. So here are the clothes that I'm gonna recycle because they are damaged, ripped, or you know, the people cannot wear them again. And here are some clothes that I'm gonna donate. So as you guys can see, all of the things that we were seeing at the beginning when I had all of this stuff at my friend's place, most of it was closing. Otherwise, as I've shown you, I kept that. That was also like a gift from a friend. Also, I found some cool things. Found some notebook I'll be able to use for my channel, my script, like some cool notebook as well. A couple of books as well that I'm gonna read. So I'm pretty happy with the session. So tomorrow we're gonna go to the Eco Center. I'm gonna tell you guys about that tomorrow. I'm gonna explain you exactly what it is. I'm pretty exhausted right now. I have to get ready for my meeting at 4. I have a meeting for work. So I'm gonna remove that red t-shirt. By the way, that was a joke. Like, if you guys haven't got it, I'm gonna wear my black t-shirt. No. Hello guys, so we're gonna go to the Eco Center right now. As you can see, it's a rainy day. I hope it's gonna get better because I don't want to put all of my stuff in the containers while it's raining. So basically, the Eco Center, it's a place in which you can put all of your stuff. So it's mainly for big stuff like furniture, sofas, tables, like mattress, and all of the things that you can usually not put it in the trash. But you can also go there to put all of your, if you want to recycle clothing. So there is a place in which you can donate clothing, a place in which you can recycle clothing, hopefully. So it's super cool. You can put all of your stuff, especially all of the toxic things that you cannot put in the trash. We're gonna bring all of this stuff at the Eco Center, and after that we're gonna go to see my cousin because I have that guitar that I want to give her. I think it could be another option as well. I know if you find a lot of things during the decluttering, make sure to try to see what you can donate to your friends and your family. At the same time, if you don't know what to do with the stuff, you can, whether you can sell these things online or, you know, on Craigslist or Kijiji for those of you who are in Canada like me. It's raining cats and dogs. Okay, here we are. There is a little lineup. I'm not the only one who came here to bring some stuff. Here is the Eco Center. So we are going to the Eco Center right now. So basically I was supposed to go to our first one where I found out that there was a big lineup, so I decided to go to another one. Okay, we're about to get there. Let's see if there is a lineup. Done. What's going on today? Why does everyone want to go to the Eco Center? Like, what is it? Like, is it the activity that everyone does on a Saturday? Come on! I'm getting moody, like the weather. I've been waiting for 10 minutes. But actually, it's still better than the other Eco Center where we went at first. So, there's that lady looking at me, and I don't want her to see me vlogging. So we're getting there, finally. Still a bit of a lineup, but it's getting better. So as you can see, this is what the Eco Center is all about. So basically you park your car here, you know, the trunk is here, and then you can put all of your stuff in the bins. Pretty cool. I guess this bin is the one for the clothes recycling. So I'm gonna try to access this one after. So I just arrived at my cousin's place. It's time for the last step. So I finished the Eco Center. Now I just have the guitar to give to my cousin. So I'm gonna give it to her. Thank you guys for following that all decluttering session. That was pretty fun. Feel much more free right now. Make sure to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.